So welcome back, friends. In this lecture, we are going to learn about the positive and negative words cheat sheet. Okay, positive and negative words. What are the positive words and what are the negative words? So this Facebook is reviewing and what words can be Facebook is allowing our ad for the publishment and what words should not be there in our ad copy while creating the text or the kind of ad images, etc. So do remember, friends, I am sharing this document as well. So keep this document as well. Have you seen here? Graphical, happy, and sad objectives. Graphical, happy, and sad objectives. Is my screen visible, all of you? So go to the pages, PC, and then next one. Yeah, probably in default level it will be there. What I am going to show you. My intention was to show you the graphical happy and sad objective sheet. This is the what I'm copying this link, sharing with all of you people. So pasting here, download this link here, and just if you click up here also the new window will open and you save this file. Okay, what is the file? This file is regarding the what is one graphical happy and sad objects cheat sheet. It is looking like this. This is the graphical happy and sad objective cheat sheet introduction. So in this copy, Facebook's algorithm performs the graphical analysis on the images, okay, or products, pictures or the videos in your ad, and it has a bias, worldly, market, positive. This means positive ads get more reach. Okay, all these things we should not have to we should have to remember while publishing the ad. Graphical, happy, and sad objectives. Positive objects, scenes, and emotions we're trying using this data. So you can use this kind of data. All these are the positive attitude graph theory items. Okay. So what are the negative terms which we should not have to use? These kind of things. No humans, no. Next one here. Negative ideas, no humans, no faces. These kind of negative things, terms we should not have to use in our ad copy. Okay, so do remember. These are some of the recommendations by the Facebook. I hope you understand it betterly. Thank you so much for being connected. Have a nice day.